Hi everyone and welcome to explorerhop. Now let's tackle this question. What is 51,800,536 in standard form? And the second part of the question is asking us to expand that number. So a good way to deal with this kind of question is to split the number up into groups or intervals. The first group would be 51 million. The second group can be 800,000 and the third group is 536. This makes it easier for us to write out the number. So let's take a look at the first group, 51 million. Well, we know after a million, there are usually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Therefore, we'll write 51 and then add 6 zeros to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the second part, 800,000. Well, we know after 100,000, there are 5 zeros. So in this case, we'll count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write the 8 in this placeholder over here because there are 5 zeros after it. And last but not least, 536. Well, we know after 100, there are 2 zeros. So same thing, we're going to count backwards, and we know now that it's going to be placed over here. And because it's not, because the following digits are non-zero numbers, we'll be replacing those last zeros too. So 536. And there you have it. That's the number in standard form. Now let's expand it. Expanding is essentially just breaking down the number into different parts. So we'll take the first part. Well, we see 5 is the first digit, and after 5, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So it's really simple. We'll just add 7 zeros after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now moving on. To 1, we know that there are 6 digits after 1, therefore we'll just add 6 zeros after 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing with 8. We see that there are 5 digits after 8, so we just add 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we have to pay extra close attention to these numbers over here because they are zeros. When we encounter zeros in these kinds of numbers, we skip over them when we're expanding it. So next, we should be tackling 5. We see that 5, after 5, there are 2 digits, so we just add 2 zeros. Same thing with 3, 3, we add 1 zero, and 6, there are no zeros. Therefore, this is your answer in expanded form. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.